Today we are making eggplant parmesan, and this recipe is super simple. I'm actually going to be making it in the air fryer today. So all that you will need is one eggplant. I am using a small to medium eggplant. This dish is just for me and I'm eating it for lunch, but you can go ahead and double or triple it and use a bigger eggplant. You will also need some garlic powder, some salt, your favorite tomato sauce, or you can make homemade tomato sauce and add that in as well, fresh mozzarella, some olive oil spray, extra virgin olive oil, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And of course, you will need your air fryer. This is the Gourmet air fryer, and I love it so much, but whichever air fryer you have will work great. So to start with this recipe, I have already washed the eggplant, and we're gonna go ahead and cut off the end. So you wanna cut it about 1/4 inch thick. You don't want it too thin, but you don't want it too thick either. So this gave me 6 slices. And now we're gonna go ahead and add some salt. And add a little bit of our olive oil. And just with your hand, go ahead and spread it all around. So same thing with the other side. And now for this side, we're going to add your garlic powder. So now we're going to add it into our air fryer. I preheated it on the air fry option at 400 degrees. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with olive oil. You don't want anything to stick. And now we're going to lay our eggplant. It's okay if it overlaps just a little bit. And now we're going to pop it back in. And we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're gonna go check on it. And if it needs a little bit more time, we're gonna add a little bit more time. And we're also going to go ahead and flip it. So this mozzarella is already pre-sliced, but I'm gonna go ahead and use about half of it. So it's been 10 minutes and this is how it looks so far. We're going to go ahead and flip it over. And it feels like it's getting really soft. So in 10 minutes, this should be ready. And it smells so good. All right. So we're going to add 10 more minutes to it at 400 degrees, and I'll check back in 10 minutes. Yay, it's ready. So now what we're going to do is remove it, and look at that. That looks delicious. So I'm going to flip it back around. And now we're going to add our tomato sauce. About a tablespoon for each. And just spread it all around. And now we're going to add our mozzarella. Then we're going to pop it back in for about a minute. So it's been a minute, so what I want to do is stack them up. Add the layer that we took out. Just like that. And we're going to go ahead and add our Parmesan cheese. And we're going to pop it back in for a couple seconds. And there you have it. So a quick and simple eggplant parmesan in under 25 minutes. Let me know in the comments below how yours comes out, and give this video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed watching this video, I will be doing a lot more quick and simple recipes soon, so don't miss out. Bye guys.